Your liver, the second largest organ in the body, breaks down all your food, remove toxins, clear alcohol, and medication. In fact, it performs some 500 critical jobs, including adjusting cholesterol levels, making protein and bile, which is very essential for digestion of the fat, carbs, and protein to some extent. There are many things you can do to take care of your liver, which could easily trust if you don't take care of it. When you talk about liver care, it's also about avoiding certain things or habits that may be harmful not just for your liver, but also for your overall health. Here are a few tips to a healthy liver. Eat rice. Eat a healthy, balanced diet rich in fiber, which you can get from fresh fruit and vegetables, whole grain, etc. Include meat, but limit intake of red meat. Low-fat dairy and healthy fat from nuts, seeds, olive oil, fatty fish in your diet. Avoid or limit high-calorie meals, saturated fat, refined carbs, and add sugars. Drink a lot of water to stay well hydrated. Exercise. When you stick to your exercise regime, you are not just burning more calories, which have to keep your weight under control. It also helps you burn triglycerides for fuel, which can help reduce fatty liver disease. Regular exercise helps prevent obesity and various chronic conditions, while boosting your mind and overall health. What you drink. Drinking alcohol in excess can cause many health issues, including liver cell damage and scarring of the liver, resulting in cirrhosis. So, if you do drink alcohol, you may drink it in moderation. Yet, it's best to discuss with your doctor about what amount is right for you. Take steps to prevent hepatitis. There are a number of things you can do to prevent or reduce your risk of getting viral hepatitis, a serious disease that harms your livers. These include getting vaccinated. There are vaccines that can help prevent hepatitis A and B. Practice good hygiene, washing hands using soap and clean water after using bathroom before preparing or eating food can help avoid getting hepatitis A, which is spread from contaminated food or water or through contact with an infected person. Practice safe sex. Unprotected sex or sex with multiple partners put one at risk of hepatitis B and hepatitis C, which are transmitted via blood and body fluids. Avoid sharing needles and other personal items like toothbrushes, razors to reduce your risk. Additionally, try to steer clear of pesticides and other toxins from cleaning and aerosol products that can damage your liver. Make sure you read the warning label on the chemicals and wear a mask before using them. Adopt a healthy lifestyle and check out and watch out for certain medicines that can have a side effect causing liver problems. Always speak to your doctor before using any dietary supplement or herbal remedies. That is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Hey everybody, if it is the first time you just watched this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to the channel to make sure you won't miss the new release video.